14 Best Dumbbell Exercises that can help you hit every muscle in your body. Goblet Squat. Hold a dumbbell vertically close to your chest. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body into a squat position. Push through your heels and extend your legs to return to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Deadlift. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding dumbbells in front of your thighs. Hinge forward at your hips, lowering the weights towards the ground. Push through your heels and extend your hips to return to a standing position. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions for 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Shoulder Press. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder level. Press the dumbbells upward until your arms are fully extended, then lower them back down. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Lateral Raises. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your body. Raise your arms out to the sides until they are parallel to the ground, then lower them back down. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Step Up. Stand facing a bench or step with a dumbbell in each hand. Step one foot onto the bench and push through the heel to lift your body up. Step back down and repeat on the other side. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg for 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Bench Press. Lie on a flat bench with a dumbbell in each hand. Press the dumbbells upward until your arms are fully extended, then lower them back down. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Hammer Curls. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing your body. Curl the dumbbells toward your shoulders, but with your palms facing inward throughout the movement. Slowly lower the weights back down. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Overhead Tricep Extension. Stand or sit with a dumbbell held with both hands overhead. Lower the dumbbell behind your head, keeping your elbows close to your ears. Extend your arms upward, focusing on the triceps. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell side lunges. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand, feet hip width apart. Take a wide step to the side with one foot, keeping your toes pointing forward. Bend your knee and push your hips back as you lower your body into a lunge on the side. Push through the heel of the bent leg to return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each side for 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Renegade rows. Start in a plank position with each hand gripping a dumbbell. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, and your body should be in a straight line from head to toe. Keeping your core engaged and your hips stable, row one dumbbell up towards your ribcage, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the weight back down and repeat on the other side. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions on each side and perform 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell lunges. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, standing with your feet hip width apart. Take a step forward with one foot and lower your body into a lunge position. Push off with your front foot and return to the starting position. Perform 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg for 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell Bulgarian split squat. Stand with your back to a bench or step, holding a dumbbell in each hand. Rest the top of one foot on the bench behind you. Lower your body by bending your front knee, then push through your front heel to return to the starting position. Perform 8 to 10 repetitions on each leg for 3 to 4 sets. Dumbbell chest flies. Lie flat on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand, positioned directly above your chest with a slight bend in your elbows. Slowly lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a wide arc, feeling a stretch in your chest muscles. Pause briefly at the bottom, then squeeze your chest muscles as you bring the dumbbells back up to the starting position. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions per set. Perform 3 to 4 sets of dumbbell chest flies. Rest for about 1 to 2 minutes between sets. Dumbbell single arm rows. Place one knee in one hand on a bench, with a dumbbell in the opposite hand hanging straight down. Pull the dumbbell up toward your waist, keeping your elbow close to your body. Lower the weight back down and repeat on the other side. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions on each side and perform 3 to 4 sets. Please subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button to show your support. Don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you.